tastes like chicken. Go on, let's go, man. Get in the back seat, John.
Okay, yeah.
What's up, man?
Hey, what's up in there, man?
What's up, Cheech? What you working on?
Hey, man, I'm still in that series, you know. Hey, we just want to go cruise around, man.
Where you want to go, man?
Hey, man, take us downtown to that one club, the one in downtown, man. We can get the snot kicked out of us.
I know where that is. No problem.
All right, I like that show. It's got dingle balls, man. Hey, man, this isn't your truck, is it?
Now, how do you know that?
Far out, yeah.
Hey, welcome to the conversation. Hey, man, can I turn on the radio, man?
Yeah, sure, man. Let me turn up the volume a little bit here. Let's see what I can do here.
Paul Harley. Rush Limbaugh.
That classical station sucks.
I don't know when you call me.
Oh, hold the wheel. What? Hold the wheel. Okay. Stevie ain't driving. Hey, Metallica.
No, turn that junk off. I don't want to hear that, man. Hey, check it out.
Hey, what, man?
Look what I got, man.
What?
2 idiots next to us in a Kawasaki Ninja bike.
Oh, hey, smoker, man. Hey, go on, smoker, man.
Yeah.
What?
Hey, come on, man. If it ain't a Harley Davidson, it's a crutch rock kid. Come on, man. Freak them out.
Okay. Hey, yo, man. Hey. I said, hey.
Hey, man.
What?
A chipmunk just exploded in that tree. Alvin!
Hey, sorry about the horn. You guys all right?
Yeah, we're fine. Yeah, right, butthead, we're fine. Shut up, David.
Oh, no. I'm out of here. Right through the lobby of the hotel they kicked me out of.